all roads lead back to HDI. I came here 7 years ago, innocent, and I don't know anything about things. And HDI then was an organization. It was still starting, and now I am glad to be back here in Davao and to know that HDI has become so big. And I'm still glad, and what makes me even gladder is the fact that HDI, well, the headquarters here still has the same smell that I loved when I went here 7 years ago. And I think that's what keeps HDI going, because no matter how times change, how things may change, the same ideals that it has kept all from the day it started and today, and I think in the future as well, has remained. So there.